G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a hidden suburban oasis, 16 Vicki Parade in the popular bayside suburb of Torquay. There is a fair bit to take in, so let's go and take a look around. This lovely home is enviably located in the popular bayside suburb of Torquay, where you'll enjoy the lifestyle and convenience that comes with being only minutes away from Hervey Bay's key amenities, including shopping centres, schools, TAFE, the university, hospitals, golf courses, cafes, restaurants, esplanade and the beach. This sound brick and tile home was built in 1996 and is positioned on a low maintenance 711 square metre allotment in a quiet street. You will immediately notice that this charming home has been tastefully refurbished throughout, with those beautiful tiles flowing throughout the entire home, along with an array of quality appointments, sleek aesthetics and an open light-filled design. Enjoy the fusion of classic lines with modern finishes that really create something special. With an intuitive and creative floor plan, there is definitely more than meets the eye with this home. The central open plan lounge, dining and living area really does form the heart of this home and will be the ideal space to enjoy your favourite television series or the latest blockbuster movie. Staying cool over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the reverse cycle split system air conditioning, which flows across the open plan dining and living area. The kitchen has been tastefully refurbished and includes ample bench space and plenty of cupboards for storage along with a pantry. Quality appliances include an electric hot plate with range hood, and there is a wall oven as well. The open plan dining area opens out to the north-facing covered alfresco outdoor entertaining area, overlooking that beautiful sparkling in-ground pool with shade sail, surrounded by lovely established gardens. This is where you'll enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. This home has 4 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans, and 3 of these also include built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom includes a built-in wardrobe and lavish ensuite with floor-to-ceiling tiles. The bathroom has again been tastefully refurbished with floor-to-ceiling tiles and includes a bath, shower and vanity, and you've also got a separate toilet. This home includes a large utility room with ceiling fan that could be used as a home office or a craft and hobby room, as well as additional accommodation for those unexpected friends who are sure to arrive once they know you're living in beautiful Hervey Bay. The laundry does offer direct access outside to the clothesline. Those looking to accommodate a number of vehicles will appreciate the oversized tandem length carport, which does offer covered access into the home. Those wanting to be more self-sufficient will appreciate the large 6.6 kilowatt solar power system. All the hard work has been done and there's now nothing left to do except move in and enjoy the lifestyle that will come with owning this home. So call me now, Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.